Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to disable vibration in group notifications on Telegram. If you're tired of your phone constantly buzzing every time you receive a group message, then this tutorial is for you. To start, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Once opened, tap the three lines at the top left corner of the screen to access the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, tap on Notification and Sounds. Scroll down until you see the Notification for Chat section, and then tap on Groups. To access more options, tap on More Options. Within this menu, look for the Vibrate option and tap on it. Here, you will be able to select Disable to turn off the vibration notifications for group chats. And that's it. You have successfully disabled vibration for group notifications on Telegram. Now you can enjoy your group chats without the constant interruptions. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.